everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to redeem your Paramount Plus gift card. In order to redeem your Paramount Plus gift card, you could follow the steps. Now, first of all, in your browser, you could visit the Paramount redemption page. So open up a browser and you could type in Paramount redemption page. You could see this redeem digital copy or redeem Paramount Plus gift card. You could press the link that appears right over here. Unfortunately, it's not available in my region, so I cannot go on further. Now, next thing what you could do is you could go to the first link that appears, and here you'll be able to enter in your redemption code. Now type in the redemption code and press the enter button. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll be directed to the sign up or sign in page. Then choose the subscription plan to which you would like to apply your gift card to. Then the gift card funds will be applied to your account. So this way you'll be able to use or redeem your Paramount Plus gift card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.